What's up, guys? This is Tim with Earthworks. We're at it again, giving this guy a new landscape at the Mott residence. And I got Dillon here. But yeah, as you can see, we're just putting new grass in. We're pulling a lot of these bushes out, keeping the hollies. But we're putting a lot of new vegetation in here. So check back with us. It may look like a disaster here, but it's going to look like a masterpiece when we're done. Howdy ho, kids. Well, this is, I want to say, day 3 of this project. As you can see, there's no sod. We're trying to get a more maintenance-free kind of grass, so we're getting some St. Augustine in here, just freshening up, because there's areas around here that's St. Augustine. St. Augustine was kind of bleeding into the Bermuda. So we're just going to make it all St. Augustine, which is going to look good once we get done. So today what we're doing is we're laying plants down, installing lighting. Irrigation's already came and gone, so we're on track to finish this, I want to say, by Friday. So tomorrow's sod day, so that's going to be fun. But I want to give a big shout out to Dillon. We got Marc behind the bushes over there. We're cranking away at it, so check back with us, and hopefully soon you see the finished product.